Have you ever wondered how something infinitesimally small can power our entire world? It all begins with the atom, the fundamental building block of our universe. Hidden within its core is a colossal amount of energy, a power source just waiting to be unlocked. For decades, humanity has harnessed this incredible force through a process that is both elegant and awe-inspiring. Today, we're taking you on a journey from the heart of the atom to the light in your home, exploring the remarkable world of nuclear energy. This journey starts inside a nuclear power plant, a marvel of modern engineering. These facilities are designed with one primary goal: to safely and efficiently tap into the power of the atom. While the large cooling towers releasing harmless water vapor are the most visible feature, the real action happens deep inside the reactor building, within a heavily shielded and secure chamber. It's here, at the core of the reactor, that a fundamental process of physics is put to work, initiating a chain reaction that will eventually power cities. The process is called nuclear fission. Inside the reactor core, neutrons are fired at uranium atoms. When a neutron strikes a uranium nucleus, it causes the atom to split into smaller parts. This split releases an immense amount of heat, along with more neutrons. These new neutrons then go on to strike other uranium atoms, creating a self-sustaining chain reaction. It's a controlled, continuous release of energy, all happening at a microscopic level, generating the intense heat needed for the next step. So, what do we do with all that heat? We use it to boil water, creating vast amounts of high-pressure steam. This isn't your ordinary tea kettle steam. It's incredibly hot and powerful. It's channeled through a complex network of massive reinforced pipes, heading towards the heart of the power plant's mechanical system, the turbine. As the steam rushes through, it pushes against the giant blades of the turbine, causing it to spin at incredibly high speeds, much like wind turns the blades of a windmill, but on a much more powerful scale. This is where the magic of electricity generation truly happens. The spinning turbine is connected to a generator, a device that converts mechanical motion into electrical energy. As the generator spins, its massive internal magnets rotate within coils of copper wire. This movement creates a powerful electromagnetic field, which forces electrons to flow through the copper, producing a steady stream of electricity. What began as heat from a splitting atom has now been transformed into the electrical current that powers our modern lives. But the electricity isn't useful until it reaches us. From the generator, the high-voltage electricity is sent out onto the grid, a vast, interconnected network of power lines and substations that spans entire countries. You've seen them stretching across landscapes, the unsung heroes of our electrical infrastructure. The current travels along these wires at nearly the speed of light, passing through substations where transformers adjust the voltage, ensuring it's safe for use by the time it reaches its final destination. And that final destination is you. It's the light that fills your room, the power that cooks your meals, charges your phone, and runs your computer. It's the energy that keeps our hospitals operating, our businesses running, and our cities glowing brightly through the night. From a single tiny atom to a bustling, vibrant metropolis, the journey of nuclear energy is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a reliable, consistent source of power, working day and night to support our world. As we look to the future, the need for clean, sustainable energy has never been more critical. Nuclear energy stands as a powerful, carbon-free partner alongside renewables like solar and wind, forming a diverse and resilient energy portfolio. By continuing to innovate and improve this technology, we can power a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable tomorrow for generations to come. The journey of the atom is far from over. It's just beginning to light up our future. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of nuclear energy. If you found this video illuminating, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the science and technology that shape our world. We'll see you in the next one.